What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Ghostface Imposter from Among Us. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the eyes. We're going to start at the very top. Let's leave a gap and start on the left side. We're going to curve the eye coming down and then out towards the left. Let's line up the top over on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then out in the opposite direction. Let's add a curve along the top of the eyes, going up and then down. And then we'll add a larger curve along the bottom. It's going to go out towards the side and then bend that in. Now I want to close off the side of the eye with a curve, just bending this in and then up towards the top of the eyes. Now let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Now I want to trace the eyes along the outside, starting from the top. Let's leave a gap in the center, starting on the left side. Curve this up around the eye, and come down, come all the way out. I just want to bend this in along the inside, just underneath the eye. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line up the top, go up, go around the side of the eye, and then out, round up the outside, come down, and then bend that in. Let's close off the top of the mask with a curve, starting on top of the left eye, going up and then down. Now in between the eyes, let's add in the nose. Starting on the left, go up and then down. And then from the bottom, just going to curl this around and just pull that up in towards the center. Round up the right side, and we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now let's move down from the nose and add the top edge of the mouth. I'm going to curve this up and then down. And then from the side, bend this down and in, and then bend that back down towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's round up the bottom of the mouth. And now we're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's go underneath the eyes and draw on the bottom half of the head. Let's start on the left side, and this in, come down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. I'm just going to round out the bottom of the chin, coming down around the mouth, and I'll pull that back up. Now with the mask in place, we want to draw the outside of the hood. Let's start on the right side of the eye. I'm just going to curve the hood, going up, go all the way across the top, and then bend that down towards the left. Let's add a fold, coming around and pulling that in. Let's go back, draw the outside of the hood, coming down and out. I'm just going to bend this around and then tuck that in underneath the mask. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's start back over on the left side, curve the shoulder, going out and then down. And I'm going to work our way down towards the bottom of the robe, just bending that out towards a point. Let's pull this back up and in. Let's add some more points across the bottom, work our way out towards the right. So we'll start here, bend this down and out, going across and then back up. Let's add another one. Going down and out, going across and up. And I'm going to add one more point. Going down and out, and go across towards the outside of the body. Now I'm going to line up the left shoulder over on the right. It's going to round out the body, and come down and then in. Let's give our character a backpack on the left side. We start from the side of the head, bend this out and then down, round out the backpack, pull that in, and just flatten off the bottom. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw the hand holding the knife. We're going to start from the side of the body. Let's start with the thumb. We're going to go up, bend this down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. I'm just going to add the edge of the palm, coming down and in with a short line. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, let's draw a half oval. We go out, and then bring that back in. Step down along the bottom, draw that again, drawing that oval, and tucking that up underneath the thumb. Let's do that one more time. Now, just up above the hand, we draw 2 straight lines going up across the handle, close off the top with a curve. Let's go to the bottom finger, draw an oval going out across the bottom, and pull that back in. And we'll close off the bottom of the hand, just tucking this in behind the handle. Now on the left side, we draw 2 curves for the inside edge of the blade. So we come down and then bend that in, bend this out, and back in towards the tip of the blade. From the tip, bend this out, and pull that up towards the right side. Now along the bottom, we're just going to add some blood. We go up, come down, add another wave going up, and then down. And then along the top, we're just split this in half with a curve. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Ghostface Imposter from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.